you expecting to find behind that door?
It was probably the most personal thing that could be waiting there for me. In my life, I had warning symptoms that my body was giving me, but I chose not to listen. I had many occasions where I experienced dizzy spells, my heart racing, I felt my heart fluttering, I felt overwhelming anxiety. I thought it was mental health and stress, when it was really a heart arrhythmia.
So these are two single-channel heart rhythm recordings that have been taken from patients. The top one is normal heart rhythm, and we can tell it's normal heart rhythm because it's completely regular. The bottom tracing, on the other hand, is taken from Marie. It's completely random and irregular.
I was driving home and I lost vision in my left eye and my left side of my face became numb and I ran my car off the road. I had made it home and collapsed in my laundry room due to a stroke.
So in atrial fibrillation, the top chambers stop beating. Therefore, there's a higher risk of a clot forming in the top left chamber. If that is then pumped to the brain, that can lead to a stroke.
The first thing I thought of is both of my children were home and they were both with me. And my first thought was dying in front of my children. When I was hospitalized, I was told they were surprised it didn't take my life.
Hi, Marie. My name is Stephen Eswin, and I've made this piano composition based on your story.
Wow. I think it brought about the parts that were the tougher part of my life in the beginning and the coping and a diagnosis that was difficult. And I could hear the difficulty in the music of what I went through.
Certainly from a medical perspective, I think the way it started, it almost conveyed the random nature sometimes of these things that can come on. And all of a sudden, one minute you're fine, the next minute you have this condition, and it has a major impact on your life.
Touched my heart.